Hey everybody, my name is Harris Craycraft, and I will be the new video director, the new video maker for the iDownload blog channel. I will be taking over Andrew's position for covering Apple, iOS, the Apple ecosystem on this channel. So I currently make videos and will be continuing to make videos on my own personal channel. That's just Harris Craycraft, where I make Android, iOS, mobile technology videos in general, sometimes a little bit of running, but I will be making 3 videos a week, at least on this channel here, hopefully on a schedule, and it will be covering basically the same type of content, but interesting products for iOS, for Apple products, for the ecosystem itself. I'm covering tips, tricks, tutorials, anything in that realm at all will be covered on this channel. So my goal for this is to create videos that are interesting or exciting about products you want to see, tutorials that are going to help you, anything that will benefit you guys, the audience, is my goal. With that being said, of course, feedback is very important. I'm leaving comments, constructive criticism in the comment section. You can reach out to me on Twitter. Anything you want to say hi, if you want to have any feedback, any products you want covered, any tutorials or how-tos, just let me know and I will most likely make that happen if it's something that I think people will be interested in. But that's about it. So I'll be continuing to make Apple videos, again, like I said, at least 3 times a week, starting effective around April 1st. So I'm really excited to get this going and to start making videos on this channel, and to build this up, staying consistent with making videos and uploads for this channel. So again, the most important thing is just reaching out. Feedback, you can follow me on Twitter, on Instagram at iTechWorld11, and of course staying up to date with iDownload blog. And I'm excited for this next chapter. So let me know what you guys think, any videos you want to see from me right away. But that's about it. But thank you for watching this update video, and I hope that you guys are as excited as I am for this new stage. Alright, catch you guys for the first episode.